Hi, this video is about the most commonly used add-ons in Stremio app to watch the movies online. The first add-on name is Torrentio. This add-on is used to get the movie links which were on uTorrent. You can download it from here. These will be the links of download, and here these are the languages of contents available. These will be the high definition or camera prints or Blu-ray prints that are available in this Stremio. And here there is the install button by which you can install this add-on on Stremio. The other add-on in the Stremio list is the Pirate Bay Plus. This also includes the torrent links that will be available on the Pirate Bay, and you can watch it from that link directly. Another add-on which we use in Stremio is Cinemita. This add-on is mostly used for movies and the series. The next add-on mostly used in Stremio is Kitso. This add-on is used for animation videos to watch on Stremio. Used in Stremio is Open Subtitles. This add-on is used to get subtitles of all the videos available on Stremio.